think US is going to have a pullback, and then I think crypto will carry with it.
All views expressed by the hosts and guests in this podcast are solely their opinions and do not reflect the opinions of their respective employers. Guests and hosts may maintain positions in the assets discussed in this podcast. This podcast is for informational purposes only, and nothing in the podcast is intended to be financial, legal, or even other advice.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
I think we need to make a habit of playing some songs at the beginning. You know, there's like a countdown. I keep on saying this. Notes to the producer. Okay. What's up, man? How's?
I'm good.
You're good?
You're right.
Yeah.
I just have.
I'm happy. I'm happy that Michael Saylor keeps on selling Bitcoin to buy STRC.
Let's go. I'm actually considering to like turn like to close my Bitcoin short. It feels like there's quite a bit of support in it. Like every time it sells it just goes back up. But I've been short for a bit, so I don't know.
I mean, like, what's your target? Because I do feel like, okay, let's talk macro markets.
Yeah.
I know if it's too obvious, it's probably not going to happen. But almost everybody that I'm talking to, I think, has an idea of like, I'm going to buy starting now until the next 9 months. Especially for people that is completely okay with like spot, and they're going to like do like very tiny DCA until. But I know there's a lot of orders waiting at like 55 plus. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's basically me. I think US is gonna have a pullback, and then I think crypto will carry with it. But in saying that, like my short position is actually a lot smaller than my spot. If that makes sense. So I'm like I'm basically kind of just vibe shorting. And then,
vibe shorting. Yeah. I like the term. Yeah. Wait. But like market wise, why would you say that the US is going to have a pullback? I mean, like, I guess this ties with like cryptos and so on. But like, yeah, what's your read on the broader market?
To be honest, I think it's too overheated right now, and then it's definitely seeing like signs of pullbacks, right? If you think about it, like the rotation between like various sectors in the US is quicker. Assets in the trillions are moving in above like 4 to 5% a day. Like to me, this is like clear signs of phase 4. I might be wrong. It might be AI is changing the fucking world, memory is changing the fucking world, and this is I miss it. I'm sidelining on the generational wealth. But like as someone that's not great at stocks, I think these are clear signs of like the last bit of the bull.
Have you been following like AI stocks closely so that you understand and you feel like it's a bit toppish? Is there any catalyst that you're waiting? You know, like, or do you think after the IPOs, then we would sort of like top for the AI market?
So I know like the next coming listing will be around robotics, focusing on robotics. I know a few AI companies is trying to do the last push in listing. I don't know what catalyst will make this AI bubble pop. I haven't been checking any like option data or whatever, but overall, like, because I'm not really in the market like with that much money, so I'm like vibe trading it. But I think it's definitely clear signs that AI is getting overly speculated right now. But like it's probably has a month or something. Like you can definitely make a lot more money then. It's just that you have to be fully locked in, and you need to play the rotation game for sure.
There was a tweet. I mean, it's been for a couple of days, but like a group of private equity firms are gonna put a deal to lend Nvidia $500 billion, bro. It's like these numbers don't even mean anything anymore. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna lend you like the GDP of a small country. No, it's not even a small country. It's like a sizable top 25 country.
Like what is money, bro? What is money?
I know, right?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, but like about this though, just like before we segue into like crypto and stuff like that. I mean, because I think a lot of people agree with you. Like what's interesting when I was just catching up with a couple of friends who are more like equity players too. Like it's what am I gonna say? They think that value in AI would only accrue to two stacks, which is basically like the silicon manufacturer, so like both like the chips manufacturer and so on, and then the energy player. So I do wonder how that would affect like like the GPU and like miners and bitcoins and all of that. But I might be overthinking it right now. Before we go into our notes, just very quickly on this, have you tried actually using AI to create trade signals for stocks? Not for crypto, but for stocks.
Yeah,
Did it work for you?
it is very basic stuff first. So I've been trying to use AI to make some backtesting strategies, and then like not like proper quant, but like just more like how can I improve my DCA, or if I'm holding QQQ anyways, is there a way I can rotate in and out based on certain signals? So like I've been building this thing where it's just a signal ping. It doesn't work properly, but like through backtest, it's like if certain metrics, for example, let's say volume, theme, volume, trading volume, market cap, and if the pump, a certain sector is pumping, move QQQ, move like sell 25% of my QQQ into these tickers with a stop loss and TP kind of thing. So like the whole strategy is try to outperform holding QQQ only, basically.
Right. So you haven't been stock picking like at all. Just like, hey, I feel like this new AI stock is gonna rally or
Yeah,
something.
yeah. So I mean, I still read it, like, cause like at heart, you know me, I'm still like a semi-fundamental narrative guy. But like, there's too much stocks for me to look at. So like, I'm trying to look at it the other way around. It's like whatever pumps, I'll look at it. But obviously, pump doesn't mean like the highest percentage. It's also mean like what market and what the capital is rotating into, right? So I'm looking at like a few things like trading volume. Dude, is there option market on it? Sorry, and then is the whole sector pumping at the same time? Which
Yep.
one is the strongest momentum, etc., etc. Those kind of stuff, basically.
I see. Okay, so because I wanted to ask you about this, there was a new YC company that is basically a quant model slash quant fund. So just for our audio only listeners, basically, there's a company called Prodigy Research. They're part of the YC Spring 2026 batch Frontier AI Trading Research Lab. They are claiming that their quant outperforms the top 10% trader at Jane Street. They have achieved more than 100% returns in live trading over their YC batch, which is like in the past couple of months. Their model beats Claude Fable and GPT 5.6 Sol at Autonomous Quant Research. The founders were brothers who have built strategies generating billions in PNL on a Jane Street trading desk and do a bunch of other very, very technical, like they were at Google DeepMind and all of that. Yeah, so this is a new thing. I'm seeing more and more of this. If you remember, actually, even like 9 months ago, there were some Stanford kid that were like using AI to create his model. I'm not sure how far he went, but it went quite viral at the time in the crypto circle. There are comments such as like Richard Crape, who used to found like Numeraire, I believe. Yeah, they're like one of the old coins. If you remember this coin, bro, Numeraire from like
Yeah.
2020. Yeah. So it's interesting for me to see what all of this means. I am not I'm not overly bullish or bearish on this. To me, it's like I see both sides, because like I see the criticism, like why would you go to YC and sell like 7.5% of your company if this is the case, right? Because like even if you just find loans to like you get 5 million, and if you make 100% or something like that, then you're like good, right? But like some
Yeah.
people are arguing they're doing this for like credentials and for marketing. Like Evgeny is, like, I guess you can say he's making fun. Like I don't know what's the context here, but he's just like absolutely hilarious. So I'm like, okay. I mean, like the Wintermute, right? Like the like one of the
Yeah.
like firm. So yeah, like what's your take on this?
I mean, I'm in the camp of like if you're so rich, if you're so good, why do you need money, bro? Like, but I don't know, man. Like, why the fuck would you sell 7.5%? Like, if you're so good, I'm sure you can get away with like giving 1% or 2% only to get like credit. You know what I mean? With like better names than YC. Like
Yeah,
YC is
I'm
not that good, to be honest. Like they take in a lot of people.
and like if like even if this argument is like true, like that it's a bigger TAM than quant, but bro, like you are still going to be
Bro.
competing with like yeah, like Claude is going to work with Goldman to like optimized.
So
They're like specific. So
so
anyway,
in my mind, maybe I'm not thinking this correctly. Most strategy has a capacity. It doesn't matter who come up with it, okay?
yep.
And then after certain strategies capacity have met, doesn't matter how you found them, how you built them, then it goes back to hardware and speed. It's like MEV basically, like for the crypto bros. There's like, sure, I can give you a tool to find signals, but like if you give everyone a gun, they can be a fucking shooter. But is there any that many people to kill? Like I don't think
Right,
so.
right.
Like. But sure, like I'm guessing, like yeah, like then they just I don't know, man. Like maybe I don't know what I don't know, but like it's just kind of dumb. Hey, you never know.
No.
Like it's yeah, it might be investing in a shit company, but somehow can flip for a better price, anyways.
Might be, who knows, or maybe they can like benefit from the model itself or their own PA, whatever. But moving into something that I think you would know more, Lacole, the founder of the OG Pudgy Penguin, before he sold it to Luca Nets, is apparently back in the game with a new NFT, and it's sold out. The name is Spritehood. It's
Yeah, I
on
minted
Robinhood
that shit.
Chain. Oh, on Robinhood Chain. Oh, you minted this. Okay, wait.
Yeah,
Do you want to give a quick overview
yeah.
of what this is?
I don't know. That's the truth.
Okay,
All right, no,
okay,
no, no.
wait,
All right.
wait, no. I love it. This is why this podcast is so freaking raw. Okay, so there's like 44444. It's on Robinhood Chain. Okay, August 11 when he opened it, the contract.
Okay,
I did not
so
mint this.
let me tell you. Let me tell you. All right, so before the launch, he just kept saying like big things coming. Okay, like you don't know what's up. It was like, oh, I'm like the OG Pudgy guy. Blah blah blah. I'm gonna bring this game back, bro. And then like, but like obviously he has some sketchy background as well. It's like a mix of whatever. And then suddenly, like he posted a link, be like, hey, come mint. And then didn't mention about the rules. Didn't mention what is it for. Doesn't like you don't see anything before this, and then suddenly you can mint. And then I couldn't mint with a new fresh wallet. I can only mint with the wallet that I have my Pudgy Penguin in. So I was like, fuck it, let me click. And then I minted a few. Then I realized there's 44K supply, and each of them is like $17. And there's a more expensive version of it that's like what $100. So I just spam kick like 10 or 12 times or something like that, and then I just got bored and I gave up. But basically, it's like little fire, and then like and then there's different like trends, and then you can kind of lucky draw it. I got lucky draw one of the top 1% of shit. I don't know what that is,
Oh,
but
wow.
sure. And then like someone been sending me screenshots like, oh, when review, what is it for? But like turns out it's like, oh, you can make your own NFTs. That's what Cole say or something like that. But to be very frank with you, I have no idea what I did. I just threw in some random money to hope.
It's still quite cheap, you know. I think like like
No,
the
so
floor price is
in terms of price movement, the cost should be $17, which is 0.09 ETH ish. It went up to 0.02 at a point. And then if you look at the rare ones, which is something called enhance, if you go back to the all the things items, and then you go most expensive, basically like the price.
Yep.
So like if you're lucky, you get these like double fire ones. The double fire ones is like enhanced. I don't know what the fuck that means, but like those are the ones that is going for like 0.2 ETH or 0.3 ETH ish.
Oh. Man, this reminds me of what you call it.
Fucking
No, but like, do you remember that like one freaking so fucking dumb NFT, the one that's just like a description of the game character and like the skills.
Oh
that they have.
yeah.
The one that even Kyle
like
Smani was also like tweeting about it. Oh, what was it? I forgot.
there's like 5 words I forgot. Loot.
Loot. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Just for shit and giggles. Loot.
I love it. I was in that as well. Luckily, I made money and left.
This one wasn't. Oh no. This is too
no.
nice.
It just has words. I think it's on ETH. I don't remember.
Yeah, something like
Yes.
this.
This is
Jesus
not the real
Christ.
loot, but yeah.
I know, yeah. Gold cloak or something. Anyway, so you saw all of his tweets, and then Okay, so he's still getting good engagement for this. There is no detail yet as to like what this is. It's four factions, one gate. Is it gonna be a game? Like if you can share like what was the hint that he dropped so you can make your own NFT?
No, I don't know. I just saw some screenshot. Someone in the chat say like they thought NFT on Robinhood is nearly dead. Yeah, I think so as well. The thing is like it's all fucking jits, bro. The only NFT that makes sense that is strong is stockbrokers. No, Stonk Brokers. Sorry, I'm like sick. So like Stonk Brokers,
No,
but like that
no
has
worries,
some
man.
relationship. There's some relationship with the Stonk coin. So I think that's not technically just pure NFTs. But like, I don't think NFT is coming back, bro. Like I wouldn't waste time and effort there.
Yeah, it seems like a lot of people are very very skeptical still.
Yeah.
Um,
I
yeah,
mean, there was a time that was like, yeah, let's bring that shit back. Then I saw this exact same like more AI slop version of the NFTs. And I'm like, all right, I'm done, bro. I cannot.
okay, okay, man. I want to go just like quick fire round on I guess like all the news that have
Sorry.
been happening.
Before we
Oh,
go, bro, before you get married to any NFT bags, check out Hyperio from Hyperliquid EVM and per NFTs. Like then you won't backhold any good NFTs on Robinhood. Like it's really just a face, bro. Like it's NFTs are worse than tokens these days in terms of sentiment
yeah.
for holding. I still hold my Hyperio. It's called Hyperio. Like the yeah.
As in, like their tokens were like just going down, right? Yeah, like I know.
It was
Sorry, not
like
not the
my
tokens. I mean the price of the NFT. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, my Hyperio is only like what $100 now.
Oh no, shoot, man. Uh, yeah. Okay, wait. I just want to go through like some quick news item. Want to get your reaction on it. Like we'll just cover. There's actually quite a bunch, but let's start with one. Harmony, uh, ticker one got exploited for 2.8 billion tokens, worth only around 3 or 4 million, I guess, these days. Do you have any like history with them like at all?
DeFi Kingdom, bro.
I know. Like this is like probably like not as interesting for a lot of people, but I was just like, oh, okay, like another hack. And then Neutrl is still an ongoing story, so it's one of the more successful, I guess, arguably, stablecoin launch in the past 9 months. The whole idea of them, let me share my DeFi Llama screen. The whole idea was that they're going to give yield through OTC discount hedging trading strategy. So basically, typically teams and foundations, mostly the bigger old L1 chains or old L2s, they would sell their tokens at a discount, call it 20, 30, 40% discount. And a lot of the buyers would want to hedge this gap by shorting. If the funding rate makes sense, then they can lock in those gains. And in other cases, even make more money. So they grew to a decent size, but now they seem to be having some issues that is not fully reported yet. No one really knows what's going on. There was a tweet by there was a tweet uh, by their official team. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, sorry, I'm showing the wrong one. This is neutral on Solana, not neutral
Yeah.
trader. They're not even like, are they even here? Let's see.
They're
I guess it's
still
yeah, they are
uh,
still here. Yeah, so they went much higher. They went to like 200 million, went down to 50 something. Uh, the tweet wasn't that great. They did not provide any additional details, and it's an ongoing story as we cover this. Right now, they just said that they're gonna pause minting redemptions and other functions following circumstances affecting the protocol reserves. So a lot of people are speculating that probably their protocol reserves wallet gets exploited, gets hacked, or something. Um, but yeah, this is just, I think, crisis 101. You should not just put this random ass tweet. Like at the very least, be clear that like it's been exploited or something has happened, right? Like, and then like I think people would help you and they would extend their resources. But I think this is like quite ambiguous, and a lot of people aren't too happy about it. So still an ongoing story. I'm gonna show on my screen like all of the comments basically, but I think a lot of folks were quite disappointed because they did a lot of things right. Let me see here. but they did a lot of things shady at the last minute. They're like offering 400x, 700x on locking, blah blah. Jai, from who used to be the founder of Rari, now is the founder of Roico. They did a lot of things right, and then science at the end they changed the TOS and so on. So it's a bit disappointing that it's still very hard to do diligence on your counterparty in this kind of environment. I mostly feel bad for like other projects, like the tranching projects and so on, right? Like that has to work with them. And then like I'm biased here, but like Accountable, I think there is a way for these third party like verification tools, whether it's Valor, Accountable, or like other to basically like figure out a way to better find data or ways to not just act as like another dashboard checker, but also provide like more verification with the legal data, like who's the UBOs and blah blah. You know what I mean? Because like those are the kinds that like some projects might not want to share, like who's the ultimate boss of this project. But if there is a way to like verify some of those data, right, like while making it like ZK proof, I think it's useful. Because like right now, this doesn't look good, and I'm full disclosure. I'm friends with the founder. I have a small bag and so on. So yeah, that's the state of it. What's your take on this, man?
It is a trust me bro protocol, and you cannot verify is the bro trustworthy. That's basically it.
Okay.
It is, though.
I wasn't paying enough attention to whether or not they share their wallet address, but that should have been the first sign. I think, yeah, like they might want to be like secretive and like, oh, like I don't want to share my wallet address, so I'm just gonna use Accountable so you can see that I'm currently hedging 30% discount on like some
You
something like
can't, because like if you show it, like you get hunted if your size is big enough.
yeah. I mean, like at the very
What do you
yeah.
mean, like if you get 3x leverage, bro, like on trading these shitcoin, bro, you get liquidated, man.
Yeah, but if that's your strategy, then you're like kind of, I'm sorry for the bad, but like you're kind of retarded. I think if that's your strategy, but like maybe that's the only way they can get like the outsized return, or like maybe they're gonna cut on fees. It's like, yeah, I mean, if you just do like 1x short, you can still get liquidated, I guess, if it's like go like 3-4x. But yeah,
Yeah, but if you do 1x short, like there's not enough yield for the whole stablecoin, like yield. If that makes sense. Like it's not enough drive for the Ponzi.
there should be, but there might not be enough fees, because
Yeah,
like
yeah.
these teams would like typically give like 20-30%, right? So like assume a flat funding rate, that's still going to be
Yeah.
like 20-30%. If the funding rate like flips like against you, like even half, you can still make 10%. So yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah. What else have you been seeing, man? Like, sorry, like I know you're like a bit
I've
sick.
been I'm holding I'm back into CASHCAT and PONS. That's about it. And then I'm in this coin. I'm in this coin called Vibe. If you search,
I'm opening up my deck screener.
yeah,
What's the ticker? VI?
BE.
Oh, just like Vibe on Robinhood.
No, ETH.
Okay, wait.
The one with the.
Jesus Christ, it's not even showing. Vibe AI.
Yeah, let me just DM you the CA. 1 second.
What is this? Like, why are you back in the trenches? Like, is
No,
this like
it's a uni. It's by. I'm sending you some links. Sorry, you can just read it in public. This is not a big conviction bag, but I just threw in a few K in there, just to like. It's by this Adam guy basically, and then Adam guy is a pre. Yeah, click into this, and then if you go to the. If you go to the website and the Twitter, it's basically this Adam guy. He's a pre-cooked devs, and then he's doing essentially like a Uniswap V4 launchpad kind of thing that uses AI, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Like, sorry, I'm not feeling too well.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Actually, do you want to try to do some quick DD? Imagine someone send you this. Like, your screen is just showing the screen, and like. Give me like
I'm trying to open the website because like when I click on it, it just takes me to the Etherscan.
yeah. That's a dumbass bit of it. Like it just tells you like what the contract does, and then you need to go to the tweet, and then under there's like a bunch of like
What's
explanation.
what's the X handle?
I don't think there's X handle. Like just click the Twitter link there, in the text screener, and then there is like one of the comments has the explanation, and then you can keep like going through this, like share screen.
So
And then if you scroll
he just
down,
did this.
yeah, scroll down. Like he's like a pre-cooked dev with some history. Click into this guy's quote tweet.
This one.
Yeah. And then like there's more, but like actually, yeah, for real, have a look, see what you think, and see is that something you would ape.
I like this. It's like real life. If your friend sends you something, should you ape or not?
Yeah. It's only 2 mil if you don't look at the fucking chart. Like a few dumb people. Oh, it goes 3 mil now. Oh, thank you. But yeah.
Yeah, it's the thing is, man, like I hate myself, but like I know I'm not early enough. Like I know some kids, like some of my friends were like 21 years old, that he would have bought this at like the
Doesn't matter, bro.
1 million range. It does matter because like how those kids consistently make money trading meme is like not punting, bro, but like they're always able to catch a 2x.
You need to know your lane. Like my lane is not become the quickest. My lane is out of the quickest. I pick what I can hold. Like I'm being serious. Like the top virtual push project, the CASHCAT, PONS. Like you cannot be quicker than them because like we sleep, bro. Like go to my Twitter. Go to my Twitter. I've posted something that is genuinely how I feel.
This.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Okay, I'm not getting banned, bro. What oh my god!
All right, let me know. Do you want to ape the identity thing? If you're gonna ape, I'll ape more with you.
I don't know. I'll let you know after the
There's
call.
no greater
I'll make it a
intimacy. There's no greater intimacy than losing money together. It's bigger than
oh my
sex.
god, bro. Okay.
All right, bro.
But
I'm gonna.
I think that's it. Yeah, that's all that we have for today. Last one, very quickly closing. I see that your CASHCAT is performing well, so I'm happy for you, and I hope you're feeling better, bro.
All right, bro. Take care, guys. Till next week.
Cheers.